Hello, this is Ryoya from Rikenkeki. Today we will talk about the interference of gas sensors. Each gas sensor has its traits, and even if it is a sensor for a specific gas, it has a property reacting to a different gas to some extent. We call it interference. While the interference is used for calibration as an alternative gas, it could be also a source of false alarms. However, Rikenkeki has a lineup of sensors that can measure the target gases more accurately by suppressing unnecessary interference as much as possible. Today, we will show you one of them. These are GD70D, primarily used in a semiconductor fab. We have prepared old and new models of carbon monoxide sensors. The old model is installed in this unit, and the new model is installed in this unit. The old one is interfered by cleaning agents used in the fab to some extent. However, the new one has been improved to have less interference with cleaning agents. Therefore, this time, let me show you the behavior of the two sensors when we place the GD70Ds equipped with the old one and new sensors side by side, and let them aspirate a vaporized cleaning agent under the same conditions. Here we have prepared an alcoholic cleaning agent that is used on site and a paper moistened with the cleaning agent. Then we will begin. About 1 minute has passed. As you can see, while the old sensor is interfered by the cleaning agent, the new sensor is less interfered. As is shown, Rikenkeki has a large portfolio of sensors to suppress interference and measure target gases more accurately. If you have any trouble, such as false alarms caused by cleaning agents, etc., please feel free to contact Rikenkeki. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.